Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Android phone has an active Airtel SIM and working data. This is essential for verification. Once done, open Google Play and install or update Apple Music, then sign in with your Apple ID so subscriptions can be linked. Next, open the Airtel Thanks app or dial the UST option to view recharge packs. Make sure you pick a pack that includes Apple Music or allows add-ons. This gets the prerequisites and first actions out of the way fast. Once you have Apple Music ready, use Airtel Thanks to search for a recharge pack that explicitly lists Apple Music or a music bundle. This ensures carrier billing or free subscription credit. Make sure to compare validity periods and prices because some packs include trial months while others give recurring credits. When you find the right pack, select a payment method, UPI, card, or Airtel Payments Bank, and confirm. After payment, wait for the confirmation SMS. It will contain activation details or a promo code for Apple Music. Now activate the Apple Music benefit. Open Apple Music, tap your profile, then subscriptions to redeem the carrier offer or enter the promo code from the SMS. If the pack uses Airtel carrier billing, make sure your Apple ID payment method shows Airtel as the billing option. Once done, restart the app and you should see the active subscription. If it doesn't appear, check the confirmation SMS and transaction ID, reboot your phone, and contact Airtel support with that ID for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.